Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.5 question number 2. Solve the following linear equations. Question number 2 is here you see that is question number 2 is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. There is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6. Let us first find the LCM of the denominator 2, 4 and 6. Let us find the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6. You divide by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. LCM is 12. Or you can find the value here as LCM is 12. Divide by 12 by 2, the 6, it is 6n minus, if we divide 12 by 4, there is 3, 3 3 is 9n plus, if we divide 12 by 6, that is 2, 5 2 is 10n, that is equal to 21. Or you can find 6s plus 6n plus 10n, that is 16n, 16n minus 9n by 12 is equal to 21. Or 16n minus 9n, 16n minus 9n, that is 7n by 12 is equal to 21. That is, here we got 7n by 12 is equal to 21. Multiplying both sides by 12, multiplying both sides by 12, both sides by 12, we get, multiplying both sides by 12, we get 7n by 12, 7n by 12 into 12 is equal to 21 into 12. Or we get 7n is equal to 21 into 12. Multiply 21 with 12, that is 2 1 2, 2 is 4, 1 is 1, 2 is 2, that comes to 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, 252, that is comes to 252. Dividing both sides by 7, we get, dividing both sides by 7, or n is equal to 252 by 7, dividing both sides by 7. If you divide 252 by 7, you get, you divide 252 by 7, is 7 3 is 21, 7 3 is 21, 5 minus 1 is 4, 2, 6 7 is 42, right? Therefore, we got the value of n, or n is equal to 36, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.